Hi, I'm Achilles Thomas, the owner of Leadfoot City. I'm here to tell you about all the exciting things we have indoors at America's Automotive Theme Park. As the mayor of Leadfoot City, my favorite place, of course, is the mayor's Lair Speakeasy, which has luxurious indoor booth seating, separate full bar, stage for entertainment like jazz bands and comedy shows. It's a great place to come and hang out while you're on site, and it's typically open during every event. We're here in the Pit Stop Lounge, which is the first room you'll enter into the City Hall building here, filled with concessions, additional indoor seating, restrooms, and of course, everything's climate controlled, so it's a great place to come and hang out, get out of the Florida weather. We've got the largest indoor event center in Florida's Adventure Coast. We call it the Auto-torium. In this massive indoor area, we've hosted everything from pro wrestling shows to weddings, high school proms, corporate events, and during most events it's set up like a rec hall with cornhole games, axe throwing, ping pong, and more. Oh, we're here in the free play arcade, which we call the Carcade, which has a host of arcade machines, ping pong, foosball, air hockey, and more, and it's all free. It's included with your admission. And when we say free, we mean free. There is no coins or tokens required to participate in any of the arcade activities here at Leadfoot City. Our most popular attraction is the indoor glow kart experience. Our indoor drift glow kart track is the only one of its kind in the state, and they've got a special feature. They're all gas, no brakes. They're designed to spin and drift around. We've got karts for families of all ages and sizes, so come on out and experience drifting indoors. After a fun-filled day of indoor activities like indoor drift karting, the free play arcade, maybe shooting some pool, you can make your way down here to the heart of Leadfoot City in the Gearhead Grill and Bar. We've got a huge dance floor, plenty of indoor seating, of course some nice food and drinks, and some really cool merchandise. Can't wait to see y'all out here at Leadfoot City. Come on down, check us out online at leadfootcity.com, and everything you saw today is available for private rentals, so check us out.